Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset to your PC in 2026. So first of all, you need to plug the USB wireless dongle into your PC and then press and hold the power button on your headset. So the power button is going to look something like this. So when you press it, it is going to turn on. The headset will automatically going to pair with the dongle within just a few seconds. So once connected, the Windows will detect it as an audio device. So after doing this, simply open the settings of your device. Inside the settings, click on the option of system, then select the option of sound. Here, under output, make sure that you select your headset from the list and set it as the input device for the microphone usage. After that, you just have to play an audio or video in order to confirm that the sound is working. Also, test your microphone in the sound settings as well. The HyperX Cloud 3 Wireless does not support Bluetooth pairing for PC or mobile devices, so you can't connect it via Bluetooth settings. So always use a USB dongle for the wireless connection. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.